Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a beautiful peacock named Percy. Percy was not like the other birds. His feathers shimmered with a kaleidoscope of colors, making him the most unique and splendid bird in the forest. One day, Percy felt a bit lonely. He wished he had a friend to share his vibrant colors and dance with. So, he decided to find someone special to share his world with. With feathers shining bright, Percy embarked on a journey through the forest. He met many animals, but none seemed to appreciate his beauty as he hoped. One sunny day, Percy came across a shy rabbit named Ruby. Ruby was hidden among the tall grass, too timid to show herself to others. Percy, with his warm and friendly nature, approached her gently. "Hello, little one," said Percy. "I see you're hidden in the grass. Would you like to join me? I promise, we'll have fun together." Ruby hesitated but soon agreed, and together they played and danced in the meadow. Percy was delighted to share his vibrant feathers with Ruby, and she, in turn, shared her stories of the hidden treasures in the forest. From that day on, Percy and Ruby became the best of friends. They spent their days exploring the forest, sharing their adventures, and appreciating each other's unique qualities. The forest was a happier place with Percy and Ruby in it. They taught others about friendship, patience, and the beauty of being different. And as the sun set, they would dance beneath the stars, their lights twinkling together in the night sky. So remember, dear friends, it's not always about finding someone who's just like you. Embrace your differences, be patient, and you'll find a friend who will cherish your uniqueness, just like Percy and Ruby did. Good night.